Are you prepared for a stock market crash? A lot of people are actually scared and they keep telling me in some of my videos that I should be prepared to suffer a market crash. But I want to tell you that I am looking forward to it because I made the most money during the crash in 2020 and 2022. So I want to bring to you all the reasons why I am actually looking forward for a market crash and how I am getting prepared for it. So today I am here in this beautiful place called Marble Mountains, and I am also visiting this place, Hoi An. I'm gonna leave you the names up here because I'm not sure 100% how to pronounce it, and English is not my first language. So I hope all the information that I am bringing to you today will help you prepare on how you can actually make money in the stock market, which is something I love to talk about. One of the reasons why I want the stock market to crash is because you can actually buy all these stocks at a discount. And this makes such a big difference because who wants to buy at all-time highs? You can actually buy at a discount. Everybody likes to buy during Black Friday because everything is 50% off, 70% off. And this is what I did during 2020 and 2022. So what do you prefer to buy stocks like Tesla at $100 a share, like we did in 2023, or buying Palantir at $7 a share, $6 a share? Can you believe all the discounts that we had during the past few years? And people actually look the stock market crash in a negative way. And this is why I actually want the stock market to crash significantly so we can make money. Another good reason that I want to mention is because the S&P 500 continues to move up and up through the years. If you look at this graphic, you can see how even though it has its drops, it continues to grow significantly at around 10% per year, which means that every 7 years, it actually doubles in price. So if you see the S&P 500 right now, most likely in 7 years, in 2032, you're going to see it around or over 12,000 points. So write this information and let me know in 2032, what is the price of the S&P 500? Another reason where I consider that the stock market crash is not bad is because most of these companies that claim to be the next Palantir, the next Tesla, the next Apple, are going to be able to demonstrate if they just have the name AI in their name, or are they going to really demonstrate what they promise they're going to deliver? So in a market crash, they will be able to really show their performance and demonstrate if they're going to survive. So imagine if you're able to buy Palantir at half the price. Imagine if you can buy Apple or Google at 50% discount, or any of those companies that you really love and that you use every day. Imagine being able to buy them at 50% discount. This is what I did during 2020 and 2022. So I hope you're able to save this video for when the stock market crashes. Normally YouTubers always make a video every month about the stock market crash and how this is the worst thing that can happen and you need to be prepared. But if you have seen some of my videos, I do not sell my stocks. Yes, you hear me right. I do not sell my stocks. I just continue to accumulate, especially when the prices are right and they are in discount. So I want to show you exactly how I am preparing for when the stock market crashes, because eventually it's going to happen. So how do we get prepared for this? Since it's very different from anybody who's working and continue to invest consistently than what I do, because I actually retired at the age of 45 and I am not working anymore. So the strategies are a little different and I would like to share all this information with you right now. So what are some of the things that I am going to do to prepare is just continue to invest consistently without stopping, just gathering some of those stocks that are going to pay for your expenses in the future. If you have some extra money, yes, of course, buy more of those stocks that are actually crashing and that are at 50 or 70% discounts and continue to accumulate stocks. Another thing you need to do is just don't buy stocks in margin. Get off margin. Margin is this money that they actually lend you from your brokerage accounts, and people buy more stocks with the money that is not theirs. So don't be in margin. Be careful, because this is a way that you can risk your portfolio significantly. In my case, it's a little bit different because I retired at the age of 45 and I am now working. So what I did is I gathered 2 to 3 years of expenses. So in case of the stock market crash, I don't have to sell my stocks. So I have everything I need to pay for my expenses during the next 2 or 3 years. The most important thing is you need to have the right mindset. A lot of people get scared and they sell their stocks really quickly with any single drop, even if it's a small one. And they're always doubting if they should have bought that stock. So I believe that if you just get scared with any single drop, even if it's a small one, you should not be invested. It sounds hard, but it is true. If the stock market eventually crashes or takes a really big correction, don't worry. This is just a great opportunity to buy more stocks, and I am going to be showing you step by step what I am doing in my own accounts and also in a brand new account. Since I invest $250 in a brand new account that I created for my VIP club. In there, I am showing you every single week what stocks I am buying, and also how my old accounts that I have been creating for 10 years, how they actually behave, and what I do when the stock market is going up. The same way as when the stock market is going down, I am showing you step by step how I can convert this brand new account from zero to make it over $1 million in less than 10 years. So this is possible, and this is why I decided to do it, so I can show you step by step how I accomplish this. This year, 2025, is going to bring some amazing opportunities to the market. So get ready, because the best is yet to come.